have made it so far in this series, I am sure that you now understand explicitly how to fund your Bamboo account, how to buy shares, and how to sell your shares in the Bamboo account. And in today's video, we'll be talking about how to withdraw the funds that you have sold from your Bamboo app straight into your bank account. If you are ready, let's get right into it. Alright guys, we open our Bamboo account. You click on stocks and then you click on breakdown, where you will see the portfolio return, how much profits have all your shares giving you, then your buying power, which is how much you have available in your trading account to invest in the stock market, then withdrawable cash, which is how much you have available to withdraw into your wallet. Then we have your current value, your cost basis, and then the cash that you have. So to begin withdrawing into your bank account, you have to transfer the total cash that you have into your wallet. So you click on transfer to Bamboo wallet, then you click on the amount you have to withdraw into your wallet. You then click on transfer, then they will ask you where would you like to deposit it to, either in your USD wallet or your Naira wallet. Now if you have watched my previous videos, you will see where I explained this USD wallet and your Naira wallet. So then you click on whichever is convenient. So for the sake of this video, I want to withdraw to my USD wallet, so I click on USD, and then the funds will be transferred to now enable you directly transfer it into your bank account. Alright, so if you want to transfer to your bank account, you scroll down to your Bamboo wallet and then click on USD wallet. Then you will see deposits, you will see transfer, and you will see withdraw. So you click on withdraw, and then they will ask you how much do you want to withdraw, right? And for the dollar account, the processing fee for the withdrawal is $45. All right, but if you want to withdraw in Naira, the processing fee is just 45 Naira. Since I want to withdraw into my dollar account, I click on USD wallet, click on withdraw. I input the amount that I want to withdraw, and then I click on proceed, and then Bamboo will tell you to add the destination account where you want the funds to be withdrawn to. So I will fill up all this information, and then we will continue with the video. Alright guys, we have successfully input the beneficiary of the amount to witdraw. So we click on continue, you enter your transaction PIN, and then it will tell you the withdrawal of X amount has been initiated. Alright guys, after they have told you the transaction has been successfully executed, you then go to your email address. You need to always check your email to be sure that Bamboo has sent you an email that your transaction has been so successfully completed. So you check on it. Hello, the X amount withdrawal request has been received and is currently being processed. State that the processing time for withdrawal into your USD account usually takes 5 to 7 working days, and withdrawal into your Naira account usually takes about 2 to 3 working days. But if it extends beyond these stipulated timeline, just know that your bank is just doing their mandatory checks to know if the transaction is legit or not. But be rest assured that it will be deposited into your bank account without any hassle. If you've made it to this part of the video, write in the comment section, I made it. Alright, and if you've actually made it, then you don't have any reason not to invest in the stock market. Alright, thank you very much for staying true with me throughout this series. And if you have any other questions you would like to ask, please feel free to ask them in the comments and I will gladly answer them. If you want to learn the step by step on how to make money doing what you love, I need you to click the link that is showing right now to watch that video. Until the next video, guys, have yourself a wonderful day, and don't forget, investing in the stock market is a long-term investment, so you don't have to be scared. You will not lose your money if you wait it out, so you don't have any excuse. Start investing with as low as 5,000 or 10,000 naira. Until the next video, bye guys.